Looking for a marine stereo that delivers crystal clear sound and easy control without the usual fuss? The MS-RA70 from Fusion is built to elevate your on-water entertainment experience. Designed to replace any standard DIN-sized stereo without needing to adjust your dash, it blends sleek styling with practical features that boaters appreciate. What sets the MS-RA70 apart is its thoughtful design and marine-grade durability. The IPX7 rated front panel means it's ready to handle splashes and harsh conditions, while the optically bonded LCD ensures a sharp, glare-free display even under bright sunlight. Whether you mount it with a traditional dash finish or flush into a glass helm, this stereo looks clean and professional every time. Control is effortless thanks to Bluetooth streaming and the Fusion Link app, available for both Apple and Android devices. You can stream your favorite playlists wirelessly, navigate tracks, and manage zones right from your phone or the stereo itself. With 2 independent audio zones, each with customizable settings and zone naming, you can tailor the sound to different areas of your boat, perfect for keeping everyone happy. I swapped out an old, complicated Sony stereo for the MS-RA70 and noticed the difference immediately. No more juggling unnecessary buttons or tangled cables. Bluetooth connectivity is rock solid, which is exactly what you want when you're out on the water. Plus, the clever weather cover keeps the unit protected without getting in the way. The MS-RA70 also supports USB MP3 playback, smartphone connections, and local AM, FM stations, so your entertainment options are flexible and user-friendly. Just keep in mind that if you want to add a subwoofer or external amplifier, additional gear will be needed for the line-out, sub-out feature linked to Zone 1. If you're tired of rust-prone, car-style stereos that don't hold up in marine environments, the MS-RA70 offers a purpose-built alternative. It's engineered specifically for boats, backed by a 12-month worldwide warranty, and designed to keep you entertained no matter how rough the seas get. Worth a look if you want a reliable, simple-to-use marine stereo that doesn't compromise on sound quality or durability. Try the MS-RA70 when you're ready to upgrade your boat's audio system and enjoy music the way it's meant to be heard, effortlessly and crystal clear.